Manila can now join the prestigious competition, Beauty, Talent, and Intelligence competition sa City of Manila. Kung kayo po'y uusog ng kaunti sa kasaysayan, makikita po ninyo, wala pa pong Miss Universe o Binibining Pilipinas, meron na pong Miss Carnival. And Miss Carnival is considered as Binibining Pilipinas at the time. And one of the famous individual who is very known to us is formerly First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos, na naging Miss Manila along the way through the leadership of our former mayors in the city. Then when they started it, Lacson, Villegas, Pagaching, and so on and so on. So we are now continuing what they built in the past. Ang mga pamana sa amin, ng aming mga dating pamunuan sa lungsod ng Maynila. And in our own little way as a city government, to support talented individuals, to showcase their skills. Ayun naman ang purpose nito lahat. And I am also grateful to GMA7 and Empire PH joining and helping, and actually not only joining, taking the lead of our activities in the city. So sa ating mga magagandang dilag, maganda, matalino at talentado, isa lamang po masasabi ko, nasabi na sa inyo ang petsa, isa lang po masasabi ko, welcome po kayo sa Maynila. And lastly, this is also the new tagline, tourism tagline, Manila May Manila, is also showing our being, as a city, being grateful to a national artist, Nick Joaquin, who wrote so many things, history. Itong si Nick Joaquin, may isang libro po yan, na baka inaalikabukan na sa mga library ninyo, buksan po ninyo. Pag nakita nyo po doon yung inilathala, isinulat ni Nick Joaquin, talaga pong maiisip ninyo, ang lalim pala talaga ng bahagi ng Maynila sa buong Pilipinas pagpatungkol sa kasaysayan at kaganapan. Kaya minabuti namin ibalik yung salitang Maynila May Manila so that it's telling you it is not only our Manila, it is your Manila. Your Manila, your Manila. Kumbaga, it's my Manila. Because one way or another, kung hindi man kayo, lalo na ang kabataan ngayon, sigurado ako one way or another, generally speaking, your parents and grandparents have a story to tell about Manila. Kaya, yun po ang aming kampanya ngayon na ang Manila is para sa lahat. Ito ay Kapitolyo ng Bansa, what you call the window of opportunity of our elders in the past. They went here to make it. A lot of them made it. And we want to give also Manila today and tomorrow as an opportunity for anybody, and in this case, somebody who will present to the world. Kasi sabi ng Empire PH, pag mananalo daw dito, sasali na sa Miss Universe Philippines. Tama ba? Yes. Pag nadali yun doon, sasali sa buong mundo. That's why this is an opportunity for everyone. So muli sa inyong lahat, to Mga Net, thank you very much, to the GMA family, Empire, and to the BTCAM family, and sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Welcome po kayo sa Maynila.
Palakpakan natin. Maraming salamat po. Nakakatuwa talaga na alam mo yung mayor natin ay sumusuporta din sa talento at ganda ng mga taga-Manila at ng buong Pilipinas. Ika nga kasi nga ire-representa ang buong Pilipinas sa mundo just in case for the Miss Universe Philippines or the Miss Universe already. And I love the story of Manila. May Manila, nung sinabi palalo ng ating mayor kung bakit nga ba binabalik yun from Nick Joaquin, one of our national artists. Nakakatuwa.